bone smells like a bag of nacho cheese Doritos, and it's awesome. What? I'm Christine. I am one of Dr. AC's clinical partners. We work together in almost everything. Surgery, pros, case planning, making sure he's not hangry, kind of guide him through, guide him, guide me, to guide him, to guide me, Sometimes it's just a big old circle. I'm from California, born and raised. California is getting very pricey, honestly. It's been pricey for a long time, and I got an opportunity to come to Nashville and attempt to create a life of my own, and I took it. The whole experience, I should say. It's like, I guess like taking a house, burning it to the ground, and starting from zero. It's the experience alone as an assistant, as a clinical partner, what you can do for a patient and what you can do with your team, with the doctor, with the other clinical partners, the other assistants. It's that entire experience, what you can do with that. I love that. Patience and empathy. I'm a very empathetic person as it is. I'm a Virgo, so I relate, even though I haven't personally gone through many of my patients' experiences. I feel like I can relate, at least emotionally. It's taught me to not just walk them through what the procedure is going to be, what their recovery is going to look like. It's not just throwing out my knowledge. It's walking next to them in their journey. Yeah, I love reading, I love eating, and I love sleeping. No, I really love reading. I'm a hopeless romantic. I will read any book, honestly. Anything that can potentially be real. So like vampires, not my thing. Zombies, not my thing. Sci-fi, not really my thing. Aliens, not really my thing. But you give me a romance, I'm all over it. You give me personal growth, you give me whatever, I'm there. I've read all of Nicholas Sparks's books. They've all been amazing.